This is Professor Joe, your education advocate. Our topic is Introduction to Logic, which is finding the truth value of an assertion. This presentation is not exhaustive, but an initial discussion of the word logic, its definition, and some useful terms for understanding. Logic is simply the science of reasoning. As a science, it involves certain discipline methods involving rules and thought processes. Reasoning implies a certain process of mental activity, like inferring or making inferences. To infer is to conclude from premises. In place of the word premises, you can also put data, information, and facts. And from them, you can conclude. For example, if you see a smoke, data, then you can conclude that there is a fire. Inferences are based on various data sources, facts, information, and states of affairs. To simplify the science of reasoning, logic treats data as statements or collections of statements called propositions or sets of arguments. The word proposition means statements that assert something as true or false. Remember, not all sentences are assertions, like I am Prof. Joe. So what? It does not assert about me. An example of a proposition is that Professor Joe is handsome. It asserts something. This demands judgment to affirm or deny the assertion. A critical mind will observe and analyze every statement, whether true or false. It is called finding the truth about the proposition. Aristotle defined truth this way. A true proposition is if what is the case, it says it is the case. What is not the case, it says it is not the case. It is like asking, what is the case of a thing being claimed as true? That Joe is handsome? Is it the case of Joe? So, investigating the value of the assertion is the process of finding the truth. We then conclude or infer the truth about the claim, which can be done only by investigating. Some takeaways. 1. Every statement we assert has a truth value. It is either true or false. Verifying the value is the only way to know if it is true or false. 2. Verification is one way to tell one the truth if the person has a warrant about the statement. Thanks for watching. Please continue to support my channel